great.
Dan, it's great for everyone to be back. Our first show in the new year. Let's get it out of the way before we hit the sports. How was everyone's New Year's Eve festivities?
Awesome.
Great.
Good?
It's nice.
Yep.
Great.
Good.
What does that mean?
Actually, it wasn't. There's a lot of pressure to stay up past midnight. And you'll get the Happy New Year from somebody you don't even know. And then it'll be this thread of somebody, and then somebody, and then somebody comments on their comment, and then it's...
Oh, like when you get a text message and it's from a name it's like from a number, but it's not in your context. So you're like, who the hell is this?
Yeah. What do you do? Do you write them back and say, who are you?
I know,
but
you
you're afraid. You're afraid
You can't write back, who are you?
No,
So forever you have to
no,
not
you
know?
can't. You have to do the lie and say, hey, lost my phone, who is this? And they know that you know that you don't know them. And
What if you just said back at you?
Yeah.
And then you never know who they are. For
well, you can, but you still don't know who it is.
Well, you could do the who are you hanging with, or what are you up to, hoping they'll throw in some names and go, oh, now I know who that is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that.
I had to Google an area code.
I did too.
I did
too.
Where's that?
I did too. 504 area code. I'm going, I don't know who this is.
I had an 845. I have no idea.
860. No clue.
We got to check that number. I got an 860 that is totally
No
in
way.
every major holiday.
This is definitely someone we should know then.
It could be somebody in this room right now.
Hello, ESPN is 860.